AI and the future of medical careers, a new era of healthcare. Ever wondered how the rise of artificial intelligence will impact your career in healthcare? The future is closer than you think, and it's time to prepare. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's actively transforming industries worldwide, and healthcare is no exception. From diagnostics to treatment planning, AI is reshaping roles, enhancing efficiency, and creating unprecedented opportunities. This video will focus on how AI is revolutionizing medicine and, more importantly, how healthcare workers like you can adapt and thrive in this new landscape. Let's dive in. Not long ago, healthcare was considered relatively resistant to automation. The complexities of patient care and the need for human interaction seemed insurmountable barriers. However, AI has emerged as a powerful assistant, capable of analyzing vast datasets, aiding in diagnostics, and optimizing treatment plans. This isn't about replacing healthcare professionals, it's about reshaping jobs, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. AI is here to augment your abilities, freeing you from repetitive tasks and allowing you to focus on what truly matters: patient care. While AI offers incredible potential, it's crucial to acknowledge the roles that are most likely to be affected by automation. Roles involving repetitive tasks and data processing are prime candidates for AI-driven changes. Medical transcriptionists, for example, are seeing their roles evolve as AI-powered voice recognition software becomes increasingly accurate. The need for manual transcription is diminishing. Similarly, radiology technicians are experiencing the impact of AI-enhanced imaging tools that can assist in identifying anomalies and streamlining workflows. AI is becoming a valuable second pair of eyes. Medical billing and coding specialists are also affected by automated software that can process claims and identify errors more efficiently. The key is to adapt and acquire new skills to complement these AI systems. Despite the changes brought about by AI, certain professions remain largely unaffected due to the irreplaceable human element they provide. These roles rely heavily on empathy, critical thinking, and complex decision-making. Surgeons and specialists, for instance, will continue to be in high demand. Their expertise in performing intricate procedures and making critical judgments remains irreplaceable by AI. Nurses and primary care physicians who provide direct patient care and build trusting relationships will also see sustained demand. Empathy and patient interaction are crucial aspects of their roles. Medical researchers and AI specialists are experiencing a surge in demand as the healthcare industry seeks to develop and implement new AI-driven solutions. These roles are at the forefront of innovation. The future of healthcare isn't about AI replacing practitioners. It's about AI augmenting their capabilities. AI-assisted tools are designed to enhance efficiency, improve outcomes, and empower healthcare professionals. AI-assisted cancer detection, for example, helps pathologists analyze tissue samples with greater accuracy and speed, leading to earlier and more effective treatments. This collaboration between human expertise and AI is transforming cancer care. Robotics are enabling precise surgical procedures, minimizing invasiveness, and improving patient recovery times. Surgeons are using robotic systems to perform complex operations with enhanced precision and control. Virtual health assistants and AI chatbots are supporting telemedicine, providing patients with convenient access to information and care. These AI-powered tools are expanding access to healthcare and improving patient engagement. To thrive in the age of AI, healthcare workers need to proactively adapt and acquire new skills. This involves focusing on areas where human expertise remains essential and embracing opportunities to learn and grow. Focus on areas where human expertise remains essential, such as complex decision-making, critical thinking, and patient communication. These skills are difficult for AI to replicate. Develop AI and data proficiency to gain a competitive edge. Understanding how AI works and how to interpret data will make you a valuable asset in any healthcare setting. Strengthen your soft skills such as empathy, communication, and critical thinking. These skills are indispensable for building trust with patients and providing compassionate care. Specialize in high-demand medical fields such as geriatrics, oncology, and mental health. These fields require a high level of human interaction and expertise. Leverage AI for efficiency in diagnostics and patient management. Use AI-powered tools to streamline workflows, improve accuracy, and free up time for patient care. AI is not only transforming existing roles, but also creating entirely new career opportunities in healthcare. These emerging roles require a unique blend of medical knowledge and technical expertise. Medical AI specialists are needed to oversee the development, implementation, and maintenance of AI applications in healthcare settings. They ensure that AI systems are used safely, effectively, and ethically. Healthcare data scientists are needed to analyze vast amounts of patient data to identify trends, predict outcomes, and improve healthcare delivery. They use their analytical skills to unlock valuable insights from data. Biomedical engineers are needed to design and develop AI-driven medical devices and technologies. They combine their engineering expertise with medical knowledge to create innovative solutions. AI ethicists in healthcare are needed to ensure that AI is implemented ethically and responsibly. They address issues such as bias, privacy, and transparency in AI systems. The future of healthcare is undeniably intertwined with AI. While some roles may evolve or be automated, the opportunities for healthcare professionals to adapt, learn, and thrive are immense. By embracing AI, developing new skills, and focusing on the human aspects of care, you can position yourself for success in this exciting new era. Ready to take the next step? Explore online courses in AI and data science tailored for healthcare professionals. Network with AI specialists in your field to learn about emerging trends and opportunities. Subscribe to industry publications and attend conferences to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI and healthcare. The future of healthcare is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it.